Hey everyone, this is Heeva from Flush, and today we're going to walk through step-by-step assembly of our six-pack style shippers. So let's just jump right into it. Our six-pack shippers are made up of a six-piece outer box and insert set, as we have here. Depending on how you order them, they're going to come in different quantities and bundled together. But first things first, it's important to lay out each piece so you know just what you're looking at. So here we have this long base insert piece here. We have these two identical top pieces, and we have these two identical center pieces here, as well as the outer box. What I like to do, and generally with any box, is to start by pre-folding on the creases. It just helps make everything go by, fold a little bit easier. You're going to notice this piece has a couple perforations here. We're not going to want to fold there. We're going to leave those intact. So we're just going to put that off to the side and fold only along the creases. Set those there. Do the same thing with the center pieces. Okay, once we have those pre-folded, we're going to start with grabbing the top pieces here. And they are identical, but we're going to want to orient them with the open slots of each piece facing each other. So just like that, where we can fold them up and line up the slots. So you can see they're lined up end to end there. We're going to hold that with one hand, grab one of the center divider pieces, fold it in half just like that, and hold it with one hand, and line up the center slot with one of the two center slots on the top piece inserts. Give it a little bit of a press. You don't need to press down all the way, and you'll notice that if you let go, it'll stay together somewhat. So from there, we'll grab one side, fold it completely down like that, and then up 90 degrees. You'll notice when you do that, this slot's going to line up with this one, and we do the same thing. Give it a little bit of a press, and then don't press down all the way. We'll rotate, do the same thing with the other side. Once you have that, you can go ahead and press all the way down, and then that piece is now fully assembled in there. We're going to do the same thing with this other center piece. Fold it in half, locate it over the slots, just like this. Give it a little bit of a wiggle, and then press down. The insert's now ready to pack the jar. So for today, we're going to be packing these 9-ounce straight-sided glass jars. We're going to grab them, place them upside down, a little counterintuitive, but upside down into the insert, just like that. And you'll notice that they friction into place and need a little bit of a press to go down. It's because we don't really want any movement in the box. That's why they're sized that way. Once you put them all the way in, we'll grab the base insert piece. It's also symmetrical on each side, so you can start on either end. We'll give this a fold down, just like that, and then you can fold it up 90 degrees. Hold it with one hand. Bring the insert over and start with one side. Line up the slots. Give a little bit of a wiggle. Helps find and locate where the slots are so it goes together easy. And then you're going to notice it's going to want to fold towards the other side of the insert. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. Fold it down. Give it a little bit of a wiggle. And now you know you're ready to press down all the way without any issues. And then we'll flip the insert over. You'll notice once it's all together, it's very it's brick-like. That's how I like to describe it. You can really put it on either end, and it's very sturdy. This is really the magic of how our inserts work. So this is ready to be packed. We'll just set it aside, grab our box. The box is going to come somewhat pre-folded like this. That helps just save space in the outer shipping boxes when we send our orders out. So we'll just go ahead and open it up. Now, there's a best practice is to just fold every single crease over, but these boxes generally go together very easy, so we'll just go ahead and start assembling from one side here. We'll grab these flaps like that, fold the rollover down like this, press down to where you can hear that lock go together. Do the same thing with the other side. Fold the rollover down and get that snap sound, which gives you that feeling that it's all locked and ready to go. So we've got the box opened, grab the insert, place it inside, just like that. And you'll notice when you place it in, there's going to be a little bit of space on either side of the insert, which is just enough room to accept the dust flap. So I like to kind of give this a wiggle as well, help locate where they need to go, and then press all the way down, just like that. We'll flip it around here. Fold down the locking ears, and the box is now ready to go, ready to be shipped. Just put a piece of tape along this edge. That's really the only edge you would need to tape, and that's it. Thanks so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, from our team, thanks so much.